This is the video for you. Nc6 Sicilians. Today I will show you the Sicilians with Nc6 as the second move, in the third part of this Sicilian series. The Nc6 Sicilians tend to be very active and ambitious. Accelerated Dragon. This variation is very ambitious, seeking to play e6 and d5 without wasting a tempo with d6 first. However, its move order is not the most forcing and can be met with c4 early on, forming a Marcosi bind. This variation is suitable at the lower levels but is obsolete in master level play. It does have the advantage of avoiding the Yugoslav attack, however. Sveshnikov. This is another ambitious variation, which seeks to delay d6 until the dark-squared bishop goes to b4, getting an improved Najdorf. However, white can prevent this by playing nbd5, forcing d6. This variation typically allows white the d5 square but gives black the bishop pair in the f5 break as compensation. It is very theoretically sound and is played in the World Championships. Like, sub, and watch another video.